from St. John's Public School. Today I am going to take the concept of the conic section. The word conic section is very clearly explained that we are getting that sections from the cone. Let me show that and will demonstrate how you are able to get the sections. Let me take the two intersecting lines. When the one line is rotating about the other line with the constant angle, we will be able to get two cones, that is upper nap and the lower nap, which is very clearly shown on the board. Upper nap and the lower nap. This fixed line, that is axis, and the rotating line that can be called as a generator, and the fixed angle I am taking as a alpha. Now taking the plane which makes an angle with the axis is a beta. Now based on the angle beta, there are so many possibilities to change that angle beta. Now based on the angle beta, we will be able to get the different sections, that is called as a circle, hyperbola, ellipse and a parabola. Now let me demonstrate how we are able to get the sections. After rotating with respect to the axis, we will be able to get double nap cone, that is this upper nap and the lower nap. Then the fixed line is called as an axis. For the plane, I am going to use it as a scissor line. So now based on the angle, the beta which I have explained, that is the angle between the plane and the axis. The angle between the plane and the axis is a beta, and the angle between the axis and the generator is called as a alpha. There are so many possibilities to change that angle beta. So based on the angle beta, we will be able to get the different section. Let me start with that. Let me take the angle beta as exactly 90 degree. Let me show how it is possible to get the sections. When I am taking the angle beta exactly 90, so I will be possible to get that angle section which is called as a circle. When the angle beta is equal to 90, I will be getting that circle. When I am changing the angle beta to greater than alpha but less than 90 degree, now it is, let me show that what are the sections I am going to get it. I am changing the angle beta which is greater than alpha but less than 90. Now look at the section carefully. Look at only the boundary part. Now we will be able to get the section as an ellipse. Now coming to the next level. When I am changing the angle beta which is exactly equal to the alpha, that is angle between the axis and the generator, let me show that what is the section which we are going to get it now. How it is possible to get that exactly equal? When I am taking the plane which is exactly parallel to any one side of the generator, then the alternate angle or the corresponding angles will be equal. When I am taking the plane which is parallel to the generator, this angle is a alpha and the angle between the axis and the plane will be the beta. Then alternate angle will be equal because these two lines are parallel. So when the alternate angles are equal, then I am getting the angle alpha is equal to beta. Let me show that what is the section which we are going to get it now. What did I say? I have to take the plane which is parallel to the generator. Consider this is a generator. I am taking the plane which is parallel to the generator, which makes an angle equal to the alpha. Now I am showing the section. This is called as a hyperbola. Look at the section, look at the boundary carefully. This is the section which is formed when alpha is equal to beta. This curve is called as a hyperbola. Now coming to the final section. What about the final chance to change the beta? When I am taking the angle beta which is greater than or equal to 0 but less than the alpha, which is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha. So how it is possible to get? When I am taking exactly 90, I am getting the section as a circle. When I am taking that parallel to the generator, I am getting the parabola. When I am changing the angle greater than alpha but less than 90, I am getting the ellipse. Now the angle is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha. So accordingly I have to change that angle which is greater than 0 but less than alpha, definitely the plane will be cutting both the nap, that is both the cone. So let me show that. What about the section which we are going to get it now? When I am taking that, angle which is greater than or equal to 0, even I can take exactly along with the axis, definite that beta, the plane will cut both the nap. Now you can look at this section carefully. So which is cutting both the nap. Look at that boundary sections carefully. So this is called as a hyperbola. Now coming to the conclusion of this conic section, it is very clearly seen the conic section is nothing but this is a study of curves. So based on the angle beta, that is angle between the plane and the axis, we are getting the different section. When beta is equal to 90, we are getting the section as a circle. When the beta is greater than alpha but less than 90, I am getting the section as an ellipse. But when alpha is equal to beta, the section which we are getting, that is a parabola. When the beta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha, we are getting the section as a hyperbola. I hope you have enjoyed this explanation part. Thank you very much.